Well, hello there, it's Bay, welcome back to my channel. I was scrolling through Pinterest the other day and I found this gorgeous pink marble nails and I just knew these have to be my new set of nails. So as always, I'm just prepping my nails.
I just want to start a great big flame down in your heart.
Now I build my thumb, index finger and middle finger with light pink from Model 1s.
Down in your heart. I just want to.
Now I'm gonna build these two fingers. I'm gonna be doing a rather thinner layer of this white polygel.
Great big flame. I just want to. I just want to start a great big flame down in your heart.
Now always be sure to remove the sticky layer before filing, because it may just gunk up your file. And especially left these clips in because I wanted to show you that this filing actually takes so much time. I think it took me about 15 minutes to finish just one hand. Now just take some cover or plate to mix the color. Now take a few drops of top coat. As this is a gel top coat, it doesn't really dry, so you can even clean the plate if you want. Now I used my old Too Faced palette. It's a New Year's edition, so it has more sparkly colors. And I'm choosing the shades Plum Pudding and Pine Cone. Take a clean brush and scrape just a little of these colors to your mixing plate and just mix them up.
You're afraid to stick out your chin and say, okay, life's a fact. People do fall in love. People do.
Now just try to make a couple of these thin lines. And I would even make 3 rather than 4 lines because it can get too crowded.
For real happiness.
Now take a clean brush and start blurring out the sides of each tiny stripe.
I just want to start.
Now again with a new brush, take a little of the white and make new lines just across the colored ones.
Down in your heart. I just want to. I just want to start.
Now once again clean your brush, wet it with acetone and start blurring the lines.
I just want to. I just want to start a great big flame down in your heart. I just want to. I just wanna start.
Since I didn't cure the marble, nail is a bit sticky and I just needed to add a little bit of glitter. I think it's rather safe to secure the marble with a layer of transparent polygel.
You're afraid to stick out your chin and say, okay, life's a fact. People do fall in love. People do belong to each other. Because that's the only chance anybody's got for real happiness. For real happiness. For real happiness. Because that's the only chance anybody's got for real happiness.
Secret to shiny and professional looking nails is this buffer, and I swear it makes so much of a difference.
I just wanna start a great big flame down in your heart. Down in your heart. I just wanna.
So this is how they turned out. I mean, they're definitely the best I have ever done. So if you like this video and you want to see more, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below what should I be doing next. Thank you for watching, bye!
I just wanna.